welcome back. I'm going to show you what I've built up over a couple of years and I think is the best compact lightweight cook kit I've ever made up. I've been using this particular kit now for about 6 months because I got the new alcohol stove that's inside here. I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I'm really content with it. So it's based around a titanium billy can made by Toaks, and it's a 750ml one. Because I think the 500 one is a little bit too small, but the 750 is just enough that if you wanted to, you could make a little stew or something in it. So I'll start by getting you that out. Now, as I said, it's the billy can version, so you can hang it off a stick over a small campfire if you're out. So that's why I went for that version rather than the standard mug as you've got there, because it gives you the option to hang it over the fire. So get rid of the lid. So the stove I'm currently using at the moment, now you've seen on my other videos that I love using my Trangia and it means loads to me, but for this particular cook kit I tend to use the Toaks Siphon. It's made of titanium, weighs nothing at all, and if there's any alcohol left when you've put it out, you can pour it straight back into your container and then you can go on your way. Speaking of container, I've got a little Nalgene bottle that holds roughly 3 fills of that in, and so that fits in there perfectly as well. Little Toaks titanium spoon, always comes in handy. Little tea infuser, because I've started drinking more tea than coffee, so that thing's like a sieve, and it's got like loose leaf tea in there, which I'm drinking quite a lot of at the moment and cutting my caffeine down. And then inside that I've got the Toaks alcohol stove pot stand, which I'll put together in a second, and a trusty little Zippo lighter. So I'll pop that down and I'll put this together. Now, as you know, Toaks stuff all comes in these little orange bags, so keep that safe, you don't want that blowing away. So I'll put this together, it doesn't take too long at all. Just keep yourselves amused while I'm building this together. It's done. We'll pop that on there. Alcohol in there. And brew on. How simple's that? Anyway, I'm going to get a quick brew on and I'll chat to you in a bit. Anyway, as you can see, it's on the go now. It'll probably take 4 or 5 minutes to get the brew going, but alcohol stoves are never actually sold as being the fastest in the world, but they're nice and tranquil. So I'm going to sit here, wait for this to brew up, have a cup of tea and then crack on with something else. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel and you'll see other stuff. Like in a minute I'm going to go and cook some chili steak, and that'll be out on a video soon. So anyway, please think about subscribing and give it a great big thumbs up. And best of all, if you think this is wrong and you think yours is better, let me know. Anyway, take care. Trot.